Oh man, how am I gonna charge my Amazon Fire tablet when all my USB ports are used up? So here's what the TOTU USB Type-C hub port comes in. Inside the packaging, make sure you have all of these components. Carry case, ports, user's manual. What is this? Oh, it's a Sudoku puzzle. And you get a mystery gift, okay. Really cool of them doing that. And a thank you card. So here is the TOTU USB Type-C Hub Pro. Got a real nice cool TOTU logo with a planetary symbol right there. And the measurement of this is 7.8 inches in length, 2 inches in width, and about 0.6 inches in thickness. And it's a USB Type-C connection for fast file transfer. And on the end is the VGA and the Ethernet connection that you see right there. On this end is the it's label. Okay, I definitely appreciate that because I was scared I wouldn't be able to name it. USB 3.0 to USB 3.0, one USB 2.0, and micro SD and the regular SD card ports. And on this other end, you have USB 2, a HDMI, and a I imagine that's a USB-C. It looks like a USB-C, even though it's labeled like a power switch. It's very lightweight. It's only 5.6 ounces, guys. So I'm at my home computer using my Dell XPS tower. Let's go ahead and connect the USB-C. So let's say if you run out of spaces or connection ports, and this is what it's used for. It lights up green, see it detects it. Alright, let's see what kind of devices we can hook it up with. So here is a USB flash drive. So let's hook it up to one end. I'm going to use the USB 3. Just for faster transfer. You can go USB 2 or USB 3. See, it lights up fine. And VGA, I don't think anybody's going to be using VGA, but just in case you need to use an older type of periphery, can go in like this. But there's no tightening part because not enough room for screws, so it's going to be like that. And a Ethernet connection. You need to connect like a modem or router. Okay. Let's see what else. Let's say another USB-C type. Say I'm going to charge my Samsung phone. Plug it in here. And then, let's say we have an older type of a gamepad, like this Xbox one. It's a few years old, so it'll probably only go with the USB 2.0. It's not newer technology. See, it goes in easily like that. And let me look for a micro SD card. Alright guys, I finally found a micro SD card from my action camera. This is a 32 gigabyte SanDisk micro SD card. And where's the port? Okay. According to the diagram, I believe it's this orientation. Yep, and it detected it. And surely enough, guys, all devices that I connected are working properly and detected. So just out of curiosity, I'm going to just transfer something from the file and see how fast it transfers. Oh, these are pictures of Akira, okay. Transfer it to my PC desktop. Wow, that was so fast. As you can see, guys, this USB hub comes in really handy. It's going to be awesome having this, in your backpack or taking with you anywhere to go.